So, anytime I talk about competition, people always say, "Hey, I don't have any competition. You know, I'm the best in the world. I'm fantastic. I'm the king of kings. I'm the alpha and the omega." Please listen to me. You have competition, right? Your competition might not be as big as you, might not be as good as you, right? But they might be doing something that is working for them. All right, so it's good for you to pay attention to your competition, because when you are feeling all big and cool, they will just pass you. All right, because you were not paying attention to what was working. All right, they might strike a chord with the audience that you also want to serve. All right, and that chord is working, and they keep reaping benefits from it. Right, and you're just playing about it. Right, and you get nothing. Right, because you're too proud. I think that's the word. All right. So we all have competition. Your competition is that person that is serving the same market. All right. Coke, we say, hey, water is not my competition, but Coke ought to be first for thirst. Yeah. But people are consuming water when they are thirsty. So water is competition. Right. So if somebody is pulling your audience, the audience you ought to be taking, or the customers you ought to be taking, the person is pulling that customer, right? Then that person is your competition. So find out what the person is doing, all right, that is making people go to them. All right, okay, see, for example, just take this for example. You know Facebook recognizes people like Snapchat and TikTok as competition. How? Simple. Stories that last for 24 hours. Where did they get it from? They got it from where? Snapchat. Reels. Where did they get it from? They got it from where? TikTok. What am I saying? Learn to recognize what your competition is doing. Many times your competition might have the key, but you are so good, feeling so cool with yourself and all your success. You're in your bubble, social distancing yourself. Before you know what is happening, competition will finish your life. All right. Have I not told you my story before? Have I not told you my story before? When I was good, winning all the, that was my first, second, third year of practice, right? Social media practice. I mean, not healthcare. I got 3 awards with a particular company, 2 international awards, 1 local award. I was cool. Everybody, I was the talk of the town. When I arrived in the office, I come with escorts, man. Everybody, that's the guy that is doing it. I was feeling very cool, but I didn't pay attention to competition. About 4 years down the line, they sacked me. Why did they sack me? I wasn't growing. All right, I was just there. I was trying to just do kiddie. But if I had paid attention to what was happening, I would realize that things were changing. People were, moving towards a particular style. I would have picked up those styles and would have hit it and would have improved and would have done better. All right. So Facebook even learns for the platform you are using on social media that they are using to run things. They learn from their competition. Why can't you learn? Why can't you learn from your competition? Learn from your competition. It's simple. Is it so hard? Learn from your competition. All right? When you see adverts from your competition, sign up, pay the money, buy whatever they are selling. Why? You see the way it is, the way they arrange it. You will be able to see the flow. All right? You see the images they are using. I think, okay, they're using this type of images. You see the construction of the grammar. You see the flow of the copy. Okay, they use this copy. They use this. Okay, let's analyze it. All right. You see the maybe the landing page when you've paid and when you click. clicked on it and it opens up the landing page. You see the way the landing page goes, right? You see the flow. All right, you click, you pay. All right, the page to pay, you see how it opens. All right, so you're not okay. Which platform are they using? Are they using Paystack, or they're using this payment system? This payment system. Good. You now know about some other payment system you probably did not know of. Okay, you do that. You go to the next level. At the end of everything, you get to the last place. So what have you done? You've been able to follow the advert from the beginning to the end. Right? So even you can say, was this advert seamless? Was it easy? Was it stressful? Right? Because those are the kind of things that happens to your audience. Your customers are thinking, I just want to buy this thing. Why do I have to click so many things and fill so many forms? Right? This thing happened to one of our clients. They were running an advert that it was in an e-commerce page. Okay? So they were complaining that they were not making any sales. But the e-commerce page had so many forms to fill. You get to one page, you fill this. You do one page, you fill that one. Too many things. How can you reduce that to like one page or 2 pages max? All right? They see the thing, they click on it, they just fill their details, or their details automatically filled for them. Maybe they are signed into Facebook or something automatically filled for them. It saves them all that time. You will close better when you have less hurdles for them to jump. All right, but they didn't pay attention, so he was giving them they could not close that. So I now told them one day, I said, have you tried to buy from yourself? Go on your page, buy from yourself, pay, see the journey. And when he did that, it was like, wow, that's long. All right, check out where they were dropping off. They were dropping off on that same form filling thing. Fill this, another form will come, fill this. Come on. Right, it's too much. All right, the guy has filled his details. You have collected his details. Yeah, he has paid. Then you now tell him to fill another form for delivery and all of that. Come on now, right? Just don't put all that. Do everything in one. Just make it easy for him. 2 pages max. Make it easy. All right. So learn from your competitors. Learn what they do. Learn what they are prioritizing. All right, look at your adverts. Look at the adverts. See that tabular time. You just notice that some adverts are running at this time. Check it out. These adverts are always running at this time. You can even do like an analysis, like for a year. I say, okay, they run this type of thing maybe during this season, and they stop it at this time, and they start at this season. Learn. All right. So pick people that are bigger than you, doing bigger stuff, doing the kind of stuff that you want to do. Right. Pick people that are doing beautiful stuff, right? Learn from those people. Pick out every system, pick out their pages. In fact, just take their page, research their A to Z, right? The conversations they make, the type of posts they make, all right? When they make those posts, all right? Check out the interactions when they make those posts. Now sit down and say, okay, these are the best times that they are doing this, is working. Since we're attending to the same audience, let me try this. That's how it works, all right? So if you do not learn from your audience, all right, it will be hard though, because you'll just be working with what you think is right. You need to learn from your audience. Look at the insights. What is the audience telling you? That's what insight is showing you. Okay, look at your competition. What are they doing? What is working for them? All right, it's another opportunity because they also serve your market. Your competition serves your market. So if you know everything about your competition, you probably would have solved 50% of the issues of attracting your target audience. All right. So pay attention today to your competition, just the same way Facebook pays attention to theirs. Okay. Facebook loved their competition so much. Instagram, they bought it. All right. You can do the same. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Remember, my name is Victor Anyanwu, and they call me the Social Media Oracle. I am at the Oracle VA across all social media platforms. Talk to me on WhatsApp 234-081-7710-8267. See ya.